Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy. So today's video is about how I was able to create these three different styles using the rubber band method. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate this, and also hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new video. So yeah, this method actually applies to both falsy hair, and if you have a relaxed hair like mine, you can also do this. So yeah, this is definitely how to do this if you want to make this easy styles. So yeah guys, just keep watching. So the very first thing you want to do is to patch your hair into two, that's the front and the back, and make sure that the lines are very appropriate. So yeah, just keep doing exactly what I'm doing, and trust me guys, you'll be able to do this even if you don't have an experience in making your hair by yourself. If you follow through this method, you definitely get it. So all I was doing here is using a rubber band to make sure that my hair is secured in order to do the front, which is the rubber band method. So guys, you have to first part the middle part into two like so. And also I made use of a hair wax for this because I wanted to make sure that my lines are very visible. So if you want to purchase this, you can get it from a hair store or a local market. Anywhere you can actually get this hair wax. It's not necessary that you get this exact product. Any hair wax will do properly. So all I did was to put it in the middle part of my hair, and then I used my comb to make sure that I did my lines very well, and see how sleek it laid flat properly. So once you're done with that, you want to secure the other parts of the hair so that we can walk through with the other side. So guys, just keep watching. So guys, we're basically just parting each of the lines into four different sections in the front part, and then each of the lines is gonna have three sections. So take note of that. If you want to do it more than that, you can do that. That's basically fine. However you want it, you can do it, but this is how I was able to do mine. So I'm just parting each of the lines into three different parts, and then I'm gonna walk through with the hair wax like I mentioned earlier on. This is just to slick the hair in order to use the rubber band so that it will come out really nice and not rough at all, and then you can actually slay this and wear it for like a long period of time. So yeah, this is the, make sure that when you're purchasing a rubber band that you purchase the original one, because I noticed that some of the rubber bands that I used, they were losing at some point, or probably they were just cutting at some point. So you need to take note of that, they have fake rubber bands in the market. So make sure that you're getting the original one if you have to do this style. Otherwise, after a long effort, you will just notice that the rubber bands will start tearing, or it will just start cutting in the middle of the hair, and it wouldn't be very funny. Like, you wouldn't really like the result at all, because it would just be a total waste of time. So take note of getting an original rubber band for this. Now this is basically what I did. After I secured the first part, then I walked through with the hair wax to make sure that it is slicked, and then I part it into two, and then I connect the front rubber band to the second one. So yeah, that is basically how I was doing it, on and on until you're done with the whole sections of the hair. So guys, just keep watching. This is something that you'll be able to do. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, and do give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you are feeling this hairstyle, let me know what you guys think about this video. at this point, when I was done with making the rubber bands, I used this spray to make sure that my ponytail is as flat as possible, after which I used this brush to comb it all the way backwards. And then in order to make this as flat as possible, I'm still going to make use of the hair wax. Like I said earlier, or this hair wax works like magic. Like if you want to lay your hair very flat, you just make use of a hair wax and it will definitely lay as flat as possible. So that's basically what I was using to work this through. You can either use a brush for this or you can use a comb for this. So that is why I showed the difference of the method. So yeah, so once you're done, you're gonna use the brush to comb that all the way backwards and make sure that it is totally slicked down before you use your rubber band and you secure it properly, like so. So yeah, that is basically what I did, guys. There is nothing too difficult about this. If you do these procedures properly, you'll be able to make this by yourself. So yeah, this is the ponytail extension from our hair store. So if you want to purchase this, I'll be leaving a link in the description so that you can get this. So this is actually a yaki coily drawstring ponytail. So yeah, I'm basically going to use this to show you guys how it looks like after making this rubber band. You can actually use any form of extension for this. So this is actually the first style, and yeah, I think I actually love this hairstyle. Like I love how it looks like on my hair, and trust me, this extension is so soft. Like you won't even feel like you had something on your hair. Like it is just so light, guys. Like trust me, I mean it. Like it is so light. So yeah, I'm really loving this look. If you loving this look too, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to see what you all think about this. So guys, for the second method, this is actually a braided twisted ponytail with curly ends. If you want to see how to make this, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely do a video on this. So moving on, this extension is very lightweighted. Like you won't even feel like it is that like there is something on your hair, just as the first one. Trust me, guys, this is something you would want to rock on a daily basis. Like it is just a go-to hairstyle trend, and this is something that is so chic, and I really love this hairstyle. So yeah, I'm basically just wrapping it all the way through, and then once you are done, you can use bobby pin to secure this, or you can just make sure that it is well secured inside the twist. Yeah, so that is basically all that has to do with this hairstyle. This is so simple. Like you can see, it won't even take you 2 minutes to actually rock this hairstyle. Once you have your rubber band ponytail done, you can actually use any form of extension to rock in this hairstyle. So yeah, that is all for the second method. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the third method in a bit. So guys, for the final hairstyle, I made use of a Brazilian wool, and this is 76 inches on fold. I'm sorry I could not let you guys know how many I used before folding it. I'm so sorry about that, but I think I made use of 2. If you want yours to be bigger than this, you can make use of 3 or 4 pieces of Brazilian wool. So yeah, this is basically it. After I used the rubber band to secure it in the middle, and then I just went and walked it through the bun, and then I separated it into 2, and then I make sure that I lose the bun that I had already on my hair in order to tuck it inside the Brazilian wool, because you don't want it to show, it to look very funny if it's showing. So once you tuck it inside, then you're just gonna create a twist and make sure that it is properly hidden. So that's basically what I did. If you want yours to be jumbo like, because mine came out a bit tiny, if you want yours to be jumbo like, you can make sure that you use a lot of Brazilian wool, and this will come out looking as jumbo as you want. So that is basically it. When I was done twisting, I just took a strand of Brazilian wool and then I created a knot, and then I used a lighter to just secure that part, and then I cut it. So once you are done, you're just gonna twist it at the back, and then while you're twisting, you can make use of a bobby pin, or you can make use of a bobby pin afterwards. But this is basically how I did mine. At some point I was making use of a bobby pin to secure it so that it would not unravel at the end of the day. So this is basically how I was able to achieve this style. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys love it, because I'm really loving the outcome. I like, this is very, very good if you are a natural hair slayer. You always like the simple hairstyle, you can make use of this final hairstyle. Like, this is very, very simple and lightweighted. So yeah, that is all for this video. If you're feeling this video, if you're loving this hairstyle, let me know in the comment section. And that is all for today. Bye.